Hey guys, so my iPod, I have to restore it because it's in recovery mode for some reason. I don't know why, but so yeah. Oh, if you didn't know, we're at the Cape. That's Shane in the corner. Yeah, so I can't really do much like recording mobily because I use this to record. I don't want to look around another camera. Like sometimes I do, but it's just easier to have this in my pocket all the time, and when I want to record I can. So on here I could record on this a little. Yeah, so kind of stinks. That my iPod, I have to restore it. I'm not gonna restore it till like tonight or something. So off today, everything that I'm gonna record is gonna be using this, my laptop. That's my keyboard. No, that's the bed. Can I see my keyboard? But yeah, that's actually my bed. So yeah, bye.